The other day our back door lock jammed with the latch stuck in the out position. Every time we tried to close the door, the latch would bang into the jamb instead of slipping back into the lock as it had for years. Something was broken. My quick diagnosis of the problem was that the latch portion was the only part that was malfunctioning. YouTube has always been a go-to for people sharing their problems and their DIY solution. I found a YouTube guy that had this problem. He took a hammer and whacked the stuck part 3 times pretty hard, which freed up his latch. My belief is that there was a potential of significant damage to the rest of the door handle and lock mechanism assembly using a hammer. I could certainly go back to one of those big box stores where I bought the latch originally and buy a complete replacement, but I didn't think I needed the whole lock mechanism. Another go-to solution has always been Amazon. They have a replacement part for just about anything broken. This would cost less than replacing the entire lock set. During my investigation, I found that Schlage has a complete replacement warranty that they stand behind and will send you a part within a few days for free. I went to the Schlage.com website and found both the 1-800 number as well as a way to report a warranty issue with an email. I called the 1-800 number and was immediately sent a link on a text for me to upload 3 photos. One of the inside lock set, an outside view, and one of the latch itself. I was then placed in queue to talk to a customer service representative. Their automated system had created an incident number that included the photographs, so the customer service representative knew exactly which handset I had and what potential parts were needed. The actual replacement of the part is fairly straightforward. There are only 4 Phillips head screws that need to be removed, 2 on the latch and 2 on the door handle. To repair is just swapping the new part in place of the broken one and putting the 4 screws back in the reverse order that you took them out. The door works great and for free. Thank you, Schlage, for standing behind your product and offering a straightforward warranty replacement. Thanks for watching. RizzieFarmsGuys.